Hi, welcome again to our channel. Find the remainder if we divide 4y cubed plus 18y squared plus 18y minus 8 is divided by 2y plus 3. So, yung function of f or y was to 4y cubed plus 18y squared plus 8y minus 8. Si 2y plus 3, si 2y plus 3 equals to 0. Then 2y 3 ay maging negative, then si y ay negative 3 halves. So, mayroon tayong value niyan. F ng y ay negative 3 halves, then 4. Y2 ay negative 3 halves, then cube plus 18. Y negative 3 halves squared plus 8 negative 3 halves minus 8. Then, since ito ay odd number, ang magiging sign niya ay negative pa rin. So, 4, negative 3 times raised of 3, so magiging 27. 2 raised of 3, so magiging 8. So, 18. So, ito ay even number, so magiging positive na 3 times 3, so magiging 9. 2 times 2, magiging 4. Negative, tsaka positive, magiging negative. 8 times 3, 24, divide 2, so 12. Negative 8. So, continuous. 4 times 27, ito ay 108. So, negative ito, negative 108 over 8. Then, multiply ito, 18 times 9 ay 162 over 4. So, negative 12, tsaka negative 8. So, magiging negative 20. So, yung LCD natin dito ay 8. Common kasi 8. Pwede madiba dito, pwede rin diyon. So, yung LCD ay 8. So, 8 divided 8 ay 1 times 108 is negative 108. 8 divided 4 ay 2 times 162 ay, yung sign niya ay positive 324. Then, 8 times 20, kasama yan, negative 160. Then, so 324, tsaka si 160 negative, tsaka negative 108 ay 268 over to si 8. Yan. Then, 324 minus 268 ay, i-minus natin siya, ay 56 over 8. So, 56 divide 8 ay 7. Ito yung remainder. So, ito yung answer niya. Yung remainder to ay 7. So, check.